G'day guys. Well, if you saw the last issue of Unsealed 4x4, you would have noticed that Project Rusty's lost a little bit of weight. We've actually taken the body off the chassis, and that's for a few reasons. The first being the rust. We've got access to all these nooks and crannies. We can get the rust, we can get all the mud and the crud out. It needed to happen. The second reason is access. We're going to have access to the gearbox, the driveline, and things like the exhaust system, which is what we're going to be playing with today. That's right, we're installing a 3-inch Redback exhaust system to make this V8 really sing, and I reckon it's going to sound unreal.
This is an Australian-made unit built from 3-inch aluminised pipe, which is excellent for rust resistance. We are running a twin pipe upgrade too, which should sound unreal. We've kept things road legal here though, so still running catalytic converters and mufflers. There are some bungs for pyro and oxygen sensors, and the kit arrived complete with mounting hardware and brackets, which are first class. Now this should free up some ponies, give us better fuel economy, and a sound to die for. Now, having the body off really made for a simple install here, but if you're playing along at home, it still shouldn't be too tricky to get things in place.
There's two quick jobs left to do on this Redback exhaust installation. We've just left all the nuts and bolts on the flanges and the mounting points loose, just finger tight, so we're going to go and nip them all up so they're nice and tight. The last one, it's a bit controversial, chrome exhaust tips. Now in my head, chrome don't get you home, so we're going to leave these ones off for now.
With just a few basic hand tools, we had the brackets all nipped up, and then all that was left to do was tighten up the exhaust flanges, and we were almost ready to go. Well, minus the body, that is.
Well, it's taken us the best part of an afternoon, but we've got the job done, and I must say, it was actually pretty straightforward. It was actually fun, and this was like playing with Lego for adults. Everything was really, really well organised with this kit. All new nuts and bolts, all new fittings, and the instructions were first class. So for anyone wanting to have a go at home, if you've got some basic hand tools and you've got some time, I would absolutely recommend it. This was a great, great DIY task.